Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best air fryers of 2025, the models that stand out for performance, durability, smart features, and real value for your money. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or shopping for your very first air fryer, this list will help you pick the perfect one for healthier, faster, and tastier cooking. We've researched the latest releases, tested user feedback, and compared the most important features so you don't have to. Stick around, because number 1 on this list might surprise you. And as always, all the product links are listed for you in the description below, so feel free to check them out anytime. Let's get started. 5. Ninja DZ201. If you're looking for an air fryer that can truly do it all, this 6-in-1 DualZone model has been a total game changer in my kitchen. With cooking functions like air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and even dehydrate, it replaces multiple appliances in one compact design. The XL 8-quart capacity is perfect for family meals, easily handling mains and sides together, or up to 4 pounds of fries or wings. What really makes it stand out are the 2 independent 4-quart baskets, each with its own heating zone, fan, and rapid heater, letting me cook 2 different foods 2 different ways at the same time. The Smart Finish feature ensures both dishes finish together, while Match Cook lets you sync settings across both baskets when you need full capacity. The wide temperature range, from 105 degrees Fahrenheit for dehydrating to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for fast, crispy convection cooking, gives you a ton of flexibility. Cleanup is super easy too, thanks to the non-stick crisper plates and dishwasher-safe baskets. Plus, it uses up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying, making it a healthier option without sacrificing that satisfying crunch. It also comes with helpful extras like 15 recipes, cooking charts, and additional meal ideas. With solid build quality, fast cooking performance, and the convenience of true DualZone technology, this air fryer is absolutely worth it for busy households. Number 4. Emeril Lagasse Extra Large 26 QT. If you're looking for a kitchen appliance that can truly do it all, this versatile air fryer and multi-cooker combo is a game changer. It elevates practically any meal, whether you're air frying quick after-school snacks or roasting full meals for family gatherings. One of my favorite features is the perfectly done toast function. No more burnt slices. The oven automatically shuts off when the toast countdown ends, and the smart indicator light switches from red to blue, so you know exactly when it's done. Thanks to the dual-speed fan and 360-degree superheated air circulation, everything comes out evenly cooked with that golden, crispy finish we all love. With its extra-large 26-quart capacity, this countertop powerhouse easily prepares food for 4 to 6 people, and it can even rotisserie a 6-pound chicken or bake a full 12-inch pizza without breaking a sweat. The stainless steel exterior not only looks sleek and modern, but also adds a premium touch to any kitchen setup. The elegant French doors make accessing your food effortless. Just a single pull opens them both. And the interior light is perfect for monitoring your cooking without losing heat. Overall, this appliance blends convenience, capacity, and style, making it an excellent upgrade for anyone who loves cooking or entertaining. 3. Ninja Air Fryer Pro. If you're looking for an air fryer that delivers real performance, this one truly stands out. Its EvenCrisp technology uses 400 Baylor superheated air to create perfectly crispy results with little to no oil, making your favorite foods taste indulgent without the guilt. The 5-quart non-stick basket is surprisingly spacious, easily fitting up to 4 pounds of French fries or even 5 pounds of chicken wings. Great for families or entertaining. With 4-in-1 functionality, including air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, it replaces multiple appliances in one compact design. I also love that it produces up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying, yet still gives that satisfying crunch. Frozen snacks turn out incredibly crisp in just minutes, which is perfect for quick meals. Despite its generous capacity, the unit is thoughtfully designed as a space saver, fitting on the countertop without feeling bulky. Cleanup is effortless thanks to the non-stick basket and crisper plate. It even comes with a 20-recipe chef-inspired guide and cooking charts, making it easy to get started with new dishes right away. Overall, this air fryer delivers convenience, versatility, and great taste. Highly recommended for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen setup. Number 2. Instant Pot Vortex Plus. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with one appliance that truly does it all, this air fryer is absolutely worth it. With 6 versatile cooking functions: air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat, you can go from crispy wings to gooey cinnamon buns with almost no preheating time. The adjustable temperature range from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 to 205 degrees Celsius, gives you complete control whether you're aiming for a golden crunch or a slow, gentle dry. I really appreciate how user-friendly it is. The one-touch presets make cooking effortless, and the intuitive touchscreen clearly displays each stage so you always know what's happening. The 6-quart family-size capacity is a huge win, easily handling up to 6 portions, making it perfect for weeknight dinners or meal prep. Plus, the sleek stainless steel design looks great on any countertop. Thanks to the EvenCrisp technology, you get that perfect deep-fried texture using up to 95% less oil, which is both healthier and incredibly tasty. Cleanup is a breeze. The non-stick basket makes washing up quick and painless. With 1,700 watts of power, ETL certification, and built-in safety features like overheat protection and auto shutoff, this air fryer delivers dependable performance and peace of mind. Overall, it's a powerful, stylish, and reliable addition to any kitchen setup. 1. COSORI CAF DC601. The COSORI TurboBlaze air fryer is easily one of the most impressive upgrades you can bring into your kitchen, thanks to its powerful heating performance and smart time-saving design. With a unique 5-fan speed system and precise 90-degree to 450-degree temperature control, every dish cooks evenly with perfect texture in every bite. The innovative TurboBlaze technology truly stands out, delivering a rapid 3,600 RPM airflow that speeds up cooking while achieving crispy, juicy results, even on the busiest days. I also love the customizable preheat function, which adapts based on temperature, so you can choose to preheat for optimal crispiness or skip it for quick, hassle-free cooking. COSORI even includes a helpful 30-recipe cookbook created by in-house chefs and registered dietitians, so you're never short on inspiration. The non-stick ceramic-coated basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, making cleanup incredibly easy. And the upgraded ceramic coating feels durable, heat-resistant, and reliably non-stick. With up to 95% less oil than traditional frying, you can enjoy guilt-free versions of your favorite comfort foods without sacrificing flavor. The 6-quart square basket offers a generous capacity perfect for family-sized meals while still saving valuable counter space. And despite its powerful performance, the TurboBlaze system runs quietly at under 53 dB, keeping your kitchen peaceful even during high-speed cooking. Overall, this air fryer delivers smart upgrades in speed, capacity, convenience, and performance, making it a standout choice for any home cook. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best air fryers of 2025. Whether you're looking to cook healthier meals, save time, or just enjoy crispy goodness, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description below, so you can check out the latest prices and reviews. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.